cigarette, yeah. Good vibes, I say good vibes. I'm having good vibes, good vibes. I mean it, good vibes, good vibes. Oh yeah. I don't smoke no cigarette, cause it give bad breath, yeah. I just smoke marijuana every day, whoa, yeah. I say good vibes, good vibes. Rasta man having good vibes, good vibes, whoa, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, yo, I say good vibes, good vibes. I won't do no one no wrong, no, yo. I won't steal from no one, no. Rastafari, live continually, yo. Good vibes, I'm having good vibes, good vibes.
a must. Dubbing is a must, yeah. Dubbing is a must. It's a must. Dubbing is a must, yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must, yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must, yeah. Skibby bop bop the day. Don't be no fool. Dance it cool. Don't be no fool. Yeah. Dancing for a part. It is only for the start. Yeah. Man, hold your daughter close. Then she love you the most. Ooh, yeah. Dubbing is so very neat. It's really a special treat. Dubbing is a must. It's a must. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. Dubbing is a must. It's a must. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. Skiddy bump up the day. Yeah. Skiddy bump up the day. I say also, woman, tightly hold your man. Real, real, sincere. Oh yeah. Let him know that you care. Dubbing is a must. It's a must. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. Dubbing is a must. It's a must. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. To enjoy reggae music. Dubbing is a must. Yeah. Dubbing is a must. Dubbing is a must. Reggae music.
Reggae music. Reggae music.
Tightly hold your man. Let me know that I care. Dum 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 da 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 da.
Segregation is the road to destruction. Jah children, you're slipping away.
Jaja are the ruler, Jaja are the schooler. Some a fight against Jaja, and I work iniquity, yeah. Them a forget a beat, them a forget a beat, them a forget a beat, them a forget a beat from Jaja. You claims what you're doing, that is not seeing you. Some take 1,000 miles away just to see that the brother never moving away. But I have nothing, my just in Jah. No iniquity work and no ungodly people can attend that. I tell you, them a figure that be. Them a forget a beat. Them a forget a beat. Them a forget a beat from Jah. Them a forget a beat. Yeah. Quack quack quack. Quack, quack, quack. Jaja at the school. Jaja at the school. Jaja, him a the teacher. I worship no man king, but I only praise one king. He's the Almighty Almighty Ja, ja, ja. Sila, Sila, Sila. Dem a forget a me. Dem a forget a me. Dem a forget a me. Dem a forget the beating from Jah. Quack, quack, quack. Dem a forget a me. Yeah. Hooray. 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 Dem a forget a me. Dem a forget a me. Quack, quack, quack.
Try to run away, yeah.
Revelation revealing upon the land. Understand. Yeah. So I will open my mouth and speak these parables, 'cause these things I've seen in my vision, you see. Yeah. It's a serious matter. These things must have to fulfill upon this land, upon the land. Understand, yeah. Judgment will be upon the land. So mankind, prepare yourself of the coming of my Father. Oh yeah, His prophecy fulfilling, His revelation revealing, yeah. I will open my mouth and speak these parables. I will open my mouth and speak these parables. Oh yeah. These things I've seen in my vision, you see. So I will open my mouth and speak these parables.
Mr. Slave Driver, Mr. Exploiter, hey, Mr. Criticizer, don't remain, I don't just own, no. Don't remain is a danger to me. Mr. Slave Driver want me to work all day. Mr. Exploiter don't want me to get my pay. Mr. Criticizer don't want me to reach nowhere. 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 Don't remain is a danger to me. Danger. Don't remain, I don't just own, no. They're danger. They're danger to me. Mr. Slave Driver want me to work all day. Mr. Exploiter don't want me to get my pay. Mr. Criticizer don't want me to reach nowhere. 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 Don't remain is a danger to me. Danger. Don't remain. I don't just own, no. Three wicked men. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. There is three men I don't trust in this world. Don't remain is a danger to me. Don't remain is a danger to me. Mr. Slave Driver want me to work all day. Mr. Exploiter don't want me to get my pay. Mr. Criticizer don't want me to reach nowhere.
to ever home. Oh yes, to ever home. Sweet home, to ever home. Oh yes, to ever home. Sweet home. Oh summer bus, have nowhere to rest our head. Summer bus, I've got cold ground for our bed. And summer bus, have to sleep underneath the shade. Some of us, oh yes, are suffering so bad down here. Oh wicked men, don't you see that people need some care?
in a jailhouse. La da 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 da.
A little
again. If you love it, I. My sister, you got to reason with your brethren. My brethren, you got to talk with your brother. When me go, them say me fancy. Some say me smart and bread and Nancy. Because nowadays them say me bossy. But I am Mr. Stama at the mic MC. I who say them ya dubber and a rubber dub style. I who say them ya dubber and a dance and style. I who say them ya dubber and a rubber dub style. I who say them ya dub and a dance and style. I miss a Lord. I miss a Lord. Lift up, Jack. I miss a Lord. Mema. I miss a Lord. Them say, draw this a one and make we mash it up. No, boy. Draw this a one and make we scrub it up. No, boy. Cause this a one come make we mash it up. No, boy. Cause this a one come make we crack it up. No. Till about the song that will say, Jaman, me till about the song I lead the way. Hey, me say till about the song that will say, Jaman, until about the song that will play. Hey, me say who say them your style and no rubber dub style. Who say them your style and no drum and bass style. So special request to everybody. Special request to everybody. Hey, again my little style it. Versatile, I dem a little style, it versatile. Along with Mr. Stama, him wicked and wild. To run away a child, you better call for a while. Hey, I want to hear from everybody. Bima, I want to hear it from everybody. The uptown posse, them a bubble with me. The downtown posse, them a bubble with me. Is I am Mr. Stama at the mic MC. Cause anywhere me go, them say me fancy. Papan, me back and in it's Gansy. Inna me and a the good sensei. Cause everywhere me go, them say me fancy. Cause everywhere me go, them say me bossy. I miss a lot. I miss a woe. I miss a lot.
So it will grow, 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 son. And we'll be blessed continually. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Then you can't stop righteousness.
looking for trouble. me, son, have you got a light? Yeah. He says, of course, you know I've got to take a lick of my spliff. This man is old and gray, and he says, son, you're okay, oh yeah. He said, don't you ever go astray, 'cause I've seen your face and I know your ways. You're nice, yes, you're cool. He said, don't you go follow bad boy out the street, firing them 16 or cutting up with knife. I can still remember his face, and I can still remember his voice, yeah. Whoa, whoa. And he said, hey son, have you got a light? Of course you know, I've got to take a lift off of my split, oh yeah. And you know them words follow me around everywhere I go, yes, yeah. And the other day I got a message from home. Hear them say it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Yeah, yeah. I bowed my head and I call unto Jah, His Majesty the King, you see. Oh yeah, yeah, comfort me. And these words I remember clearly every time this face comes to me. Yeah, yes, oh yeah. You see, you walk up to me and said, have you got a light? Cause you know, I've got to take a lift off of my split. Don't follow bad boy firing 16 or cutting up out the street. You must remember, respect your law and serve him good, oh yeah. Oh boy, and I remember him say, you walk up and he said, have you got a light? Of course you know, got to take a lift off of my split. This old man is old and gray, and he said, son, you're okay. Yeah. Oh, dear Lord, I thank you, God, for making me with someone. Yeah. He walked up to me, son, have you got a light? Yeah. He says, of course, you know I've got to take a lick of my split. Take a look off of my split.